South Africa in this ICC Champions Trophy played their last game 8 days ago.
Yeah, 8 days ago.
एक तो रेन ऑफ भी हो गया था ना
उन्हें कौन जवाब देगा?
ये समरी आ रही है, जरा देख लें आप. There is another thing. So there you have it. That's the game that they played against Afghanistan, where they got a pitch that suited South Africa more than Afghanistan. Afghanistan was surprised in that one. But this is what happened.
I think for a plus, उनको इनके क्लासन को थोड़ा रेस्ट मिल गया होगा 8 days का. So he is their main player. He's one of the best batter in middle order in white ball cricket, and I think that's the plus they have. But yeah, 8 days is a long time in any tournament.
Yeah.
And same goes for India. They haven't had a game. उनका मैच 7 दिन बाद होगा, जो कल उनका मैच है न्यूजीलैंड से. They'll be after 7 days.
After 7 days.
That's a big break.
वो क्वालिफाई करके
अगर तो क्वालिफाई किया हुआ तो फिर हैप्पी हैप्पी. अगर तो क्वालिफाई किया तो फिर तो हैप्पी हैप्पी. अगर नहीं किया फिर तो जी मेरा मतलब है
You're on the edge.
that becomes a very long wait.
Yeah.
It can.
Sorry.
No, I think it can put you off sometimes because
Yeah,
you
it
know,
does, it does.
because you come all geared up, prepared for a journey that you're going on, and you get halfway, and you've qualified, and then you've had 8 days rest. It could backfire, and suddenly then you'll have people saying, "कि अरे यार ये schedule क्यों खराब इनके against पड़ गया."
True.
So there's always a side that you can.
जो
do.
अभी आपने बात की ना कि eliminate हो जाने चाहिए bottom वाले वो करते हुए. So interesting thing Mazhar just brought up is that in 2023 World Cup teams were fighting till the end because they were worried कि Champions Trophy का हमारा spot ना निकल जाए.
बिल्कुल.
Okay.
You know,
Okay.
so if you don't make it in the top 8, you're out in the Champions Trophy. So even there were no dead rubbers. They were still playing for that spot in the Champions Trophy. Yeah. And with that, let's go back to that game we were talking about, the South Africa game. Rickelton got a very good century in that one. We saw Nikhil.
Outstanding batting. I mean, pace इस विकेट पे तो ऐसा लग रहा था कि वो होम कंडीशंस खेल रहे हैं. तो पेस में तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं हुई, but how well he played against the quality of the 3 spinners from Afghanistan, that to me was the hallmark of his batting. How he used his feet was incredible, and of course, captain also getting a half century. But Rickelton, outstanding. Reminds you of Quinton de Kock.
कभी नहीं महसूस होने दी उसकी ना. उसको कभी नहीं लगा कि नहीं.
और देखो ना बाजी, वैगन डील में कितनी अच्छी तरीके से स्पिन को भी स्टेप आउट करके ना आगे आगे नीचे नीचे खेल रहा है. ये नहीं कि स्टेप आउट करके हर बारी भारी मारना. बहुत अच्छी तरीके से वो सीधे बल्ले से खेल रहा था. आई थिंक जिसको कहते हैं ना ग्रेट फुटवर्क स्पिनर के लिए खास तौर से स्टेप आउट करता था, फिर एक कदम आगे रहता था, इंतजार करता था कि अब ये थोड़ा सा वो लेंथ में करेक्शन होगी बैकफुट पे जाके. ही जस्ट केप्ट प्लेइंग विद द बॉलिंग. सो वेरी वेल crafted innings of his 100.
Check out his stats. That's what we have. Look at that, Marco Jensen, Wakat.
Yeah, I mean, still 24, very, very young. His brother also played for domestic cricket. I don't think he's played for South Africa yet, but 6'7", tall, left arm, and a very good pace.
Yeah.
He can bowl 145 clicks in left arm. His angle says it reminds me of Irfan, the left arm. Irfan was thoda sa probably say inch ek aur uncha hoga, but
No, Irfan was 7'2".
7'2" Irfan.
There you go, few inches. Sorry.
I mean, that matters. Every inch matters.
Every centimeter matters. But the bounce they get. I mean, they are also playing in South Africa. Just imagine him playing on a slow pitch. Just imagine him playing in South African pitches. It must have been very, very hard to handle, especially in domestic cricket.
And
but he is growing.
it's a very
as he said, he's
interesting-
just young and he's growing.
I have a question, Wasim, for you, left-handed bowler, for that matter, any bowler. The taller you get, and the higher you release the ball, how does that affect? Because एक medium height का bowler है, bowling also at 145 say, and then you have a tall guy bowling at 145.
A tall guy bowling 145 is a different beast altogether.
So what happens? Because he's releasing the ball.
Release, high arm, slow wicket पे भी उसको bounce मिलना है because लंबा इतना ऊपर से आके ball मारता है और pace है साथ में. So it is difficult. You ask Jaddu as a batter कि क्या prefer करते हो. बड़ी interesting story है. जब ये 17 साल का था तो इंडिया का टूर था साउथ अफ्रीका का. तो ये नेट बॉलर था. इसको नेट के लिए नेट में गया तो इसने इंडियन विराट कोहली ऑल दीज ग्रेट्स इंडियन ग्रेट्स उनको बड़ा इंप्रेस किया था. एंड सिंस देन ही नेवर लुक्ड बैक. ही इज ओनली इंप्रूविंग डे बाय डे. लाइक यू सेड, ही प्लेड हाउ मेनी टेस्ट मैचेस ऑलरेडी?
24 years of age.
24 years of age. He's played 26 test matches already. It's very useful cricketer.
इसको लोड मैनेजमेंट का इशू नहीं होता?
I don't think so. These guys are they want to play. If you want to play, आपका load management खुद हो जाता है.
Right.
अगर आप खुद कच्चे पक्के हो, दो माइंड्स में हो, कोई कहे कि यार रेस्ट कर लो, you rather rest than to play. So that's entirely depends on you what you want to do.
Yeah, it is about your own passion and your own dedication. Ji.
Yeah, no, generally, when you see people of this height, you don't see the coordination that the same shorter person has. Athleticism नहीं नजर आती है आपको.
इसमें
You know?
है.
हाँ, इसमें वो भी नजर आती है. इसने एक रन आउट किया था.
Yeah.
You know, नीचे से पिक करके इतनी जल्दी थ्रो किया. क्योंकि जो इस हाइट के हो जाते हैं, you know, ऊपर वाला सबको सब नहीं देता, जैसे बोलते हैं हमारे वहाँ, कि भाई आपको कुछ दिया है तो कुछ रोक के रखता है. इसको लगता है कि इसका रिदम भी भागते हुए आप देखें तो रिदम भी है, हाइट भी है, और वो हाइट की आपने बात की ना, तो वो हाइट का इतना ही फर्क पड़ता है कि आपकी और मेरी हाइट वाला वहां से बाउंसर कराएगा जहां आप बैठे हैं, और इनकी हाइट वाला जहां वसीम भाई बैठे वहां से आएगा. तो इतनी मुश्किल बढ़ती है, कम नहीं होती.
few inches ही को फर्क है.
Wait, आगे से
Few
bounce
inches.
अगर सर
9 तो इंच है वो विकेट की. विकेट की पूरी, तो इस क्रिकेट में तो इतनी 9 इंच में तो सारा खेल
Yeah, the
चलता
three
है.
stumps,
तो एवरी इंच वो नहीं देखा जब वो एम्पायर्स कॉल कैसे जलन होती है बोल रहा हूँ. तो वो इतने
मिलीमीटर होती है.
मैं आई मेंट दैट. आप मैं देख रहा हूँ.
That's true. कैसी जलन होती है बॉलरों को. That is
नहीं, और
true.
बैट्समैन को होती है कई बार के एम्पायर ने आउट दे दिया, नहीं तो वो नॉट आउट होता. सो इट इज एक्चुअली दिस गेम एंड्स अप बीइंग, you know, every inch actually makes a difference. So, you know,
Yeah.
and at 22 yards, जो you know,
स्पेशली
mathematician है घर में.
स्पेशली बाउंसी विकेटों पे लंबा बॉलर. मैकग्राथ जब हम 99 में हम खेले थे वहाँ पर्थ में, वो यू नो यहाँ से गेंद यहाँ जा रहा था, तो वो इम्पॉसिबल हो जाता है खेलना, स्पेशली इफ यू आर ग्रोन अप ऑन सब कॉन्टिनेंट पिचेस.
Yeah, because so it's all timing on to you.
Simple physics. Whoever's good at maths can tell us. A ball released from an X height over 22 yards, bounce अगर पकड़े, उसको अगर आप 1 फुट ऊपर से रिलीज करें तो उसको कितना आगे से उतना ही बाउंस मिलेगा. तो वो तो फिजिक्स तो नहीं चेंज होगी ना लाइफ.
That's a good point. Any physicist
और जलन भी नहीं चेंज होएगी.
जलन भी
वो सानू बॉलरों ਨੂੰ ਹੀ ਹੋਣੀ ਹੈ. ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦੀ.
But you know what? You bring that up. Let's see if there are any physics
Young kids exams
students
खत्म हो गए या
out
तैयार
there
करें.
who are watching this show. If you could figure that trajectory out, the speed, the velocity is constant, 145 kilometers, but the release point is X and Y. Height
A foot
between, say,
difference.
of
Make a
1.5
foot
inches
difference.
and over a 22-yard pitch. Where does the trajectory?
Make it interesting. Make it
मुझे लग रहा है
interesting.
किसी फैन से पहले मजर नहीं भेज देना.
No, but ideally,
नहीं,
Hawkeye
22
can
यार्ड नहीं,
exactly
उसको
tell
और
you.
छोटा करें, क्योंकि क्रीज निकाल दें.
Right.
तो कितने हो गए? 18 हो गए, जो भी है.
So let them do the calculation.
but-
Let them use their imagination.
And then you will understand कि what difference it makes at the height of the batsman.
I know.
or a
So we
pace
leave it to your imagination. अगर आप फिजिक्स के स्टूडेंट हैं और अगर आप फिजिक्स नहीं मैथ्स में भी अच्छे हैं तो try to figure that out. See what kind of things, and if you could just make hand draw a kind of a diagram and then just take a
And
picture
I
of
never
it.
knew math is so important in life. And watching this series is called Prime Target.
Right.
It's about this genius who is a math genius and is trying to look for prime numbers.
Right.
And everything, every digital code is by prime numbers. So
Yeah.
it's a very interesting
It
series.
is,
Time मिले तो जरूर
math
देखिएगा.
matters a lot. Sorry, Aju, you wanted to just quickly show us something? You drew
नहीं,
something
नहीं,
right there?
ऐसा कुछ बना के फर्क
दिखाइए
इतना पड़
जरा
जाता है ना.
So the pace is
Hawk
constant and the area where जहाँ ball
Yeah.
गिरेगा that's constant.
Yeah.
It's just the trajectory
and,
different.
and the pitch is constant. The height will be same
Yeah,
no
yeah.
matter where you drop
You
it.
drop it.
So it makes a huge difference
I
for a
would
batsman.
really, I would
Jad,
love.
play with high hands, man. Just play with high hands. Make it easy.
You think so?
Let's see you all get to work, and when you take इसके तस्वीर बना के share it with hashtag ask the room, and in the post match we'll definitely bring this up.